Hey guys, Bella here, and I am back again with another hair review. Today I'm reviewing All Virgin Hair Boutique. It is a hair boutique based out of Atlanta, and I believe it has one location in Houston. I recently moved, so I did not buy this right out of the store. I did order it online, so I'm also going to be reviewing the online process, which was really easy. I have my emails here. Like, I ordered this hair on September 26th, and like right after I ordered it, I got an email that said, hey, thanks for your purchase, and I got an order number. And then so I ordered it at about 11:57 a.m. and at 12:52 p.m., so like about an hour later, I got my tracking number. So that was really good. Even though it hadn't been shipped just yet, it was scanned, it was packaged, so it was ready. So I know that they were, they were working, they were quick. I didn't know how long it was going to take for it to get here, so I did do 2-day express shipping. So yeah, I ordered on the 26th, and I actually received it on the 28th. So yeah, definitely within 2 days. So I'm excited about that. The hair, this is what the hair looks like. I got 4 bundles of 22-inch. Yeah, 4 bundles of 22-inch Brazilian straight. I got 4 bundles because when you get anything over 18 inches, then you should definitely do 4 bundles or more. This is my first time actually opening it. It came in one of those standard, mail shipping envelopes, and then it just came in the bag. It says All Virgin Hair Boutique on the bag. The hair itself looks like this. This is what one bundle looks like. Has a cute little ribbon on it, and then it has like a care ticket thing on it, and it tells you how to care for your hair. I am going to co-wash all of these bundles before I put it in. Right now, to me, it kind of looks a little thin, but we'll see after I co-wash it, and then when I get it put in, I'll show y'all what it looks like when it gets put in. But I'm used to getting hair that's like 18 inches, so I know the longer it is, the thinner the bundles are. So we'll see when it gets put in. But yes, this is my initial review. So far I've been impressed. I'm just hoping that the bundles themselves are not super thin when they put it in, because then I'm gonna be sad because no one wants thin hair. So yeah, I'll be back after I get it installed. I mean, I would say I'll show y'all what it looks like co-washed, but I guess you'll see it after I put it in. So yeah, I'm getting it installed in the morning, and then I will be back to show you the final result. Honestly, I suck because it's actually over a month later. My plan was to get my hair done, and the next day after the previous clip, come back, show y'all the hair install, whatever. But actually, I feel like this is better to give an honest review of this hair, because it has been like, what, like 4 or 5 weeks. I've washed this hair twice. I actually washed it yesterday. So yeah, here is my honest review. So I think the length is amazing. I'll insert a clip of where it stops on me. I am 5'4". Yeah, so it stops at about my waist when it's like all in the back. Well, in the back, yeah, it stops like right above my pants, and then when I pull it forward, you can see like it stops like at my waist or whatever. And that's what I was going for, some long luscious hair or whatever. And actually, honestly, this hair, I love it. Okay, it really blends really well with my hair. My natural hair, like my leave out, it's here. Like you can see, okay, this is my hair, and then this is this hair. Like you see what I mean? Like it blends so well. And then I'll put it down. Like yeah, it blends so well. What else? I didn't use all 4 packs of the hair. I did use like 3 1/4. I only have like a little bit left, but I didn't want it to be super bulky. Like I didn't want the braids to come all the way up here. I didn't want it to be super bulky anywhere. So you know, I was fine with that. I did get enough of it, and I would say that especially if you want the hair to be thick, let me show you in a ponytail. Let me see. If you want the hair to be thick like this, then I would definitely recommend 4 bundles, even if you don't use them all, because if you do 3 and then it's kind of thin, you don't have anywhere to go from there. So yeah, definitely do 4 bundles of this hair. You know, I did say I was kind of scared at first because it looks so thin. I'll insert pictures of the hair here, pre-washed and then post-washed. It looks so thin, but literally when she put it in my hair, I was like, okay, it's thick or whatever. And I get so many compliments on this hair. As far as curling the hair, it does hold a curl, but it more so, I haven't tried like super tight curls. I'll try like super tight curls and then we'll see how that works. But I always do like super loose curls, and they probably stay in for like 6 hours. And I try not to put a lot of product on this hair, because that is another thing too, like hairspray and all that stuff. The hair holds the product, so the hair can get really sticky really fast. But also another good thing is, do I have my brush? Yeah. When, like, if the hair gets like tangly, or like if it feels kind of, you know how sometimes you can run your hands through the hair and it'll feel like you got kind of got like a little something tangled up in there. Not necessarily tangly like I need to cut the knots out tangly, but tangly as far as, you know, just like some of the hairs are like crisscrossed. It's really super easy. Like when you brush it, it's fine. This is the brush that I use. It's not necessarily a Denman brush, but I got it because it looked like a Denman brush. But literally, if my hair, like if it feels super oily, or if it looks to me like it's not as fluffy as it could be, then I literally just brush it from the end all the way up. And then it just, you know, it just fluffs out. So I don't know if it looked the same or not, but yeah, I probably brush my hair. Of course, I brush it before I leave the house. I might brush it again in the middle of the day, and then I'm fine for the rest of the day. But I would say it definitely has to be brushed in the middle of the day. You can't just, if it's straight, you can't just have it straight all day. At some point in the middle of the day, you will have to brush the hair at least once, because if not, I don't know, like the hair is kind of, it's not like the hair gets stuck together, but it's not like this. Like it's not as fluffy and everything like I would want it. You know what I mean? But that might be a personal preference. But yeah. And I would 10 out of 10 recommend this hair, especially if you're a natural girl, like you have natural hair. When you straighten and blow out and straighten your hair, like it literally looks like that. Like I just love it. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say about this hair. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If there's anything I missed or anything y'all were wondering about the hair, I always reply to all my comments. So just leave a comment below if you have a question or want me to review something else, or if you want to see me actually curl this hair. I can definitely do that. So just put all your comments below. Make sure you like this video so I know that you like hair reviews, and I can do more and suggest brands if you know you've heard of a brand and you want somebody else to try it out before you go around looking crazy. I don't mind. So yeah, definitely do that, and make sure you subscribe. Yeah, bye.